This is part 3 of 3 videos on how to tell time. In part 2, we looked at how hours and minutes work. In this video, we will look at how we say the time. What if the minute hand is halfway between the 12 and the 6? That's where we get to quarter past and quarter to. As the minute hand passes 12, it enters into the past side of the clock. All the minutes on this side of the clock are called minutes past. 5 minutes past, 10 minutes past, 15 minutes past, 20 minutes past, 25 minutes past. And you know this one, half past. Once the minute hand passes the 6, something changes. We are now on the to side of the clock. On the to side of the clock, we count the number of minutes to from the 12 o'clock mark again, but this time on the left-hand side of the clock. 25 minutes to, 20 minutes to, 15 minutes to, 10 minutes to, 5 minutes to. And we don't say 60 minutes past or 0 minutes to. We now say o'clock. So now we know that we have a past side and a to side. But past what and to what? That's easy. For the past side, it is past whatever area the hour hand is pointing at now. And for the to side, it is to whatever area the hour hand is going to go to next. 5 minutes past 1, 10 minutes past 1, 15 minutes past 1, 20 minutes past 1, 25 minutes past 1, half past 1, 25 minutes to 2, 20 minutes to 2, 15 minutes to 2, 10 minutes to 2, 5 minutes to 2, 5 minutes past 8, 10 minutes past 8, 15 minutes past 8, 20 minutes past 8, 25 minutes past 8, half past 8, 25 minutes to 9, 20 minutes to 9, 15 minutes to 9, 10 minutes to 9, 5 minutes to 9, 9 o'clock. And that is most of what you need to understand about how to tell the time. There's just one more thing though. Every clock is also divided into 4 parts, and when the minute hand points directly at any of those 4 parts, we say the time a little differently. Here are those 4 parts. When the minute hand is on 12, we say it is o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 12 o'clock. When the minute hand is on 15, or straight out to the right, we say it is quarter past 3, quarter past 6, quarter past 8, quarter past 12. When the minute hand is on 6, or pointing straight down, we say it is half past. Remember, we are on the past side of the clock. Half past 3, half past 6, half past 8, half past 12. When the minute hand is on 45, or pointing straight to the left, we say it is quarter to. Remember, we are on the to side of the clock. Quarter to 3, quarter to 6, quarter to 8, quarter to 12. Thank you for watching these videos on how to tell time. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and to click the bell icon to be notified about new videos.